Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to get audio or sound ID in Roblox. Follow these easy steps to easily find any sound ID. Open Roblox and make sure to sign into your Roblox account. Now click on Create, and once you're here, click on Store, and here select Audio, and here you will get lots of audio and sound effects. All you have to need, just search for the exact song you want to get ID for, and then click on this arrow icon next to the sound, and then click on more info. And now all you have to need, just look at this URL bar here. After asset slash, here you will get a number, and this number is this song, this audio ID. And now you can easily select and copy this ID to use it in your Roblox studio. This is how we can find a sound ID in Roblox. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.